Hi guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the best selling hair at Jen's Hair. You might be wondering, what kind of hair should I get? What do most people buy? So I'm going to be showing you the best selling hair at this company. So this is the luxury hair. This is the curl tip. This is the loose wavy, very bouncy. This is the body wavy. Body wavy. This is the mixed wavy. Mixed wavy. Deep wavy. And right here we have bond straight, super bond, Gen 11, rich color, and then Gen 10. Okay, so these are the types of the hair that sell the most at this company. So for the best selling straight hair, this is the luxury hair. Like I told you guys, it's the baby hair. It's made from babies. It has a long durability. You can use it for quite a long time. And then right here we have the super bond and the we have the bond straight and the super bond, and the only difference between these two is the endings. This has a more thick endings, and this, it's a little bit of thin endings. Yeah, that's really the only difference between the two. And then right here we have Gen 11 and Gen 10. These are the best selling new hair and new color. Like you can see, they're really rich in color, very soft, very nice, very sleek. Boom, boom. So guys, for the best selling curly hair, I'm going to be showing you some of the types. Right here we have the body wavy. Like you can see, it's not too curly. There is nothing really too much. It's not too much. If you're into that kind of hair, then this is the kind of hair for you. So like you can see, it's a little bit of bouncy. It's okay. If you're into this kind of hair, then girl, get you some body wavy. Then right here we have the right here we have the mixed wavy. This is really curly. Like, you know, if you detangle this, you're going to be getting those very yummy curls. And all this hair is 100% human. It's gotten directly from a Vietnamese person's head. Like, kitch. You guys get it? Yeah, so this is really, really bouncy. So if you like the curly stuff and bouncy hair, then girl, get you some mixed wavy. Then right here we have the deep wavy. It's literally similar to this kind, but then the curls are very strong too. Like you can see, you can detangle. It's really, really soft. And here we have the loose wavy. This is my kind of hair. It's bouncy, like what? It's really bouncy, 100% human. Once again, Vietnamese hair, very soft. You guys can see. So basically that's it guys for their best selling hair. This is what they usually sell the most. I hope you guys have had fun. If you want to buy any of this hair, remember the Instagram will be linked down here, their Facebook, their WhatsApp number. You guys can reach out, talk to them, and they'll be able to ship for you your hair. I love you guys. See you in the next one.